5 Facts about sea urchin. Sea urchins are animals that are typically small, spiny and round. They live in all the Earth's oceans, at depths ranging from the tide line to 15,000 feet. Because they cannot swim, they live on the seafloor. Sea urchins live in water of all temperatures, warm or cold. Some species prefer to live in the shallows, on coral reefs or among kelp forests, while others find their home in deep, rocky seabeds. Their main defense against more agile predators like eels and otters is their hard, spiny test, or shell. They belong to a group of animals called echinoderms, a club of spiky-skinned marine dwellers. Urchin comes from the 13th century French word urchin, which means hedgehog. Sea urchins come in a range of colors including red, brown, black and green and purple. The 950 different species of sea urchins include Strongylocentrotus purpuratus, the Pacific purple sea urchin, is a key ingredient in unisushi. The inky black diadema sea urchin helps keep Caribbean coral reefs' health by keeping plant growth down. Toxanus speleolus, whose common name is flower urchin, is among the most toxic. It inhabits the warm oceans of the western Indo-Pacific region. The giant red sea urchin, or Mesocentrotus franciscanus, is the largest species, with their test averaging about 18 centimeters across and spines 8 centimeters in length. It inhabits the coastal Pacific waters of North America. Heterocentrotus mammillatus, the slate pencil urchin, lives in tropical Indo-Pacific oceans. It has stubby spines with rounded, striped ends that can bore into rock. Echinarachnius parma, known by the common names of sand dollar, sea cookie or pansy shell, is a flat sea urchin that has short spines called cilia for burrowing into the sand. It lives in seas throughout the northern hemisphere. The green sea urchin, Strongylocentrotus strobachiensis, is one of the 18 edible species. Processors harvest the gonads, glands within the shell, primarily for use in Japanese unisushi. Green sea urchins live in northern Atlantic waters. They don't have a bone in their body. Sea urchins have a hard outer shell made from calcium carbonate, called a test. But they don't have any bone structure. Each sea urchin can be divided into 5 equal parts. It may not be easy to see this symmetry while they are all covered in protective spines, but it can be easily seen when looking at a dried urchin shell or test. They are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their main source of food is algae from the corals, but some species prefer to grub on mussels, barnacles, sea sponges, and even dead fish. What the sea urchins eat depends on where they live and what's available. Sea urchins have a special kind of mouth called Aristotle's lantern that makes it easier for them to scrape organisms off a surface they are moving over. They have just 5 teeth in this mouth, and each tooth has its own jaw so it can move more easily. They have no detectable eyes, but experts suspect its entire body is a compound eye that is sensitive to light. They have a number of genes associated with eyes. These genes seem to be mostly activated in the hundreds of tube-like feet they have amongst the spines. Not only do they move with their feet, they also use them to see. In Mediterranean cuisine, chefs serve sea urchin as either raw or cooked with lemon. They're also served as part of pasta sauce in Italian cuisine, indicated on menus as the ingredient ricci. In other European dishes, sea urchins provide flavor to omelets, souffles, soups, and tartlets. Sea urchins also form a key ingredient in hollandaise sauce and mayonnaise used on fish dishes. On the other side of the world, Chileans eat raw sea urchin with seasoned lemons, olive oil, and onions. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.